Hello. If you want to install a deb package in the command line, you can either use the apt command or the dpkg command, dpkg. The apt command uses the dpkg command underneath it, but apt is more popular and easier to use. If you want to use the apt command, you can use it like this: sudo apt install, and then the path to your package, path to deb package. Okay, if you are in the same directory where the deb file is located, you can use this syntax. You can say sudo apt install and then / and then your Debian file. Alternatively, you can use the dpkg command for installing deb packages, and here's how you can do it. You can do it like this: sudo dpkg with the option I, and then the path to your deb file. And of course, in both commands, you have to replace the path to deb file with the path and the name of the deb file that you have downloaded. You can also remove a package that you have installed via command line, and you don't need the original file, Debian file, to do it. All you need is the name of the program that you have installed, and then you use the same sudo apt command to do it. So to remove it, you do sudo apt remove, and then the name of the program you want to remove, and that's it. So this is it. That's how you install or remove a Debian package. I hope this was helpful for you, and thank you for watching.